Look at my beautiful olive, America. Told y'all before, that's the prettiest pit bull in the world. Yes, sir. And my baby about to have them poopies. Look at that fat poopy. Let me get it. Oh, you got some milk in them poopies. Let me see that fat stomach. Look at them poopies. Come on, Tiger. There it is, America. Stuck all up in that thing. That's a good boy, Tiger. That's a good boy, Tiger. Good girl, Olive. Take your time, Olive. That's a good boy, Tiger. That's my boy. Yo, Olive and Tiger, they've been locked up for a minute, boy. I believe Tiger had a lot of sperm backed up in it, been almost 3 years. They both will be 3 years old on August 9th. They was born on the same day. Tiger, of course, Nigerino pit bull, straight game dog, you know what I mean? And of course, beautiful Olive, the prettiest pit bull in the world. Daughter of Bluto, you know what I mean? Straight blue nose pit bull. Power man sitting here with the girl Olive on her 3rd birthday. She's the mama. Tiger, her birthday mate. They made these beautiful puppies. They're 3 days old. Beautiful. Look at this tricolor. White, black, with the white tip paws. This would be Mika, dog. I did it with Megatron one day. Another one look pretty trash. Yeah. And then the one, this is the one I'll probably keep. She's so pretty. She's pretty. All good all the time. 3 years. Olive 3rd little, final little. I'm enjoying it with my poopies. Feeding time. Work. Yeah, that big boy, he just eat and sleep. He just eat and sleep. Boy, that's a tricolor. Tiger, boy. Looking for you, Olive. Looking for the money. Mommy, Olive. Good, alright, y'all. 3 days old. Okay, it's Olive's 3rd birthday. So, if you know her like I know her, you know that she loves these peanut butter sandwich cookies. Megatron do too, as you can see. But I'm trying to make sure they got legit. You gonna catch it, Olive? You gonna catch it for the bear? Catch it. I'm singing ooh. Can we go high? Oh yeah, oh yeah. I'm singing ooh.
We got London on the track.
Whoa. Yeah, man, TIP in this motherfucker with me, nigga. to the max with it.